Hey everyone, welcome back to Reviewer Winspections. Today, I have something a little different for you, an honest product review. We've all been there, scrolling through reviews, wondering if a product lives up to the hype. Well, today, I'm putting the best lug wrenches to the test. No fluff, no sugarcoating, just straight up honesty about whether this thing is worth your hard-earned cash. Stick around as we dive into the good, the bad, and the downright surprising aspects of top 5 lug wrenches. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button because, on this channel, we keep it 100%. Let's do this. Number 1. Cartman Telescoping Lug Wrench. With a telescoping handle that collapses down to 14 inches and comes with a quality storage bag, the Cartman Telescoping Wrench saves a ton of space. One customer wrote, having a compact, easy to store tool is nice, saves time, and eliminates having to carry a bulky 4-way lug wrench. The handle then can extend to 21 inches to allow for great torque and maximum leverage. This tool is constructed from hardened steel, making it very strong and durable. One buyer commented, "It did the job of loosening the previously impact wrench tightened lugs with minimal effort," adding, "The bar felt sturdy after loosening and tightening 20 lug nuts." This wrench comes with 2 sockets that are double-sided, allowing it to fit many lug nut sizes. The telescoping handle extends to 21 inches for maximum leverage. Compacts to 14 inches for easy storage. Hardened steel and precision construction. Carry bag included for convenient storage. Number 2. Cartman 16-inch Universal Lug Wrench. As an Amazon's Choice product and with 4.6 out of 5 stars from over 5,700 global ratings, the Cartman Universal Cross Lug Wrench seems to live up to the hype with many desirable features. The tool has anti-slip handles, a 4-way cross style, and a 16-inch design, which, when put together, allows users to get a firm grip to deliver a ton of strength when working with tough nuts. As one customer confirmed, the extra length gives you a lot more torque, and the grips help on hot days when your palms might be sweaty. Beyond its anti-slip grip and ability to provide maximum leverage, this high-performance tool is also universal and designed with 4 socket heads to accommodate most lug nuts. The same customer went on to write that the tool covers all the common sizes and the sockets are deep enough to get over the ball cap on my lug nuts. Number 3. EP Auto Telescoping Lug Wrench. For vehicles with little trunk space, a standard cross wrench might not be easy to store, but the EP Auto Telescoping Lug Wrench will be a perfect fit. This tool comes with a storage bag and has a telescoping handle that collapses to 13 inches for convenient storage in any small space. As one customer mentioned, "This wrench is great because it fits in the little storage compartment that my star wrench won't." While the tool makes for easy storage when in use, the handle can extend up to 19 inches for extra leverage. This product maintains extreme strength and durability since it is made from hardened chrome vanadium steel alloy. One user who needed the tool to loosen some extremely frozen, 15-year-old, rusted bolts, found that the wrench took care of these stubborn lug nuts and was able to handle a lot of pressure. Number 4. GTE Tools Lug Strong 26 inches Lug Wrench. With its strong steel construction, the GTE Universal Lug Wrench set is one of the most high-quality lug wrenches on our list. As one impressed buyer described, "This is a strong, durable tool that is well thought out in its design." The tool is constructed so users can break it down for easy storage in their vehicle or toolbox, and this reliable tool also comes with a lifetime warranty for extra peace of mind. The wrench is universal and versatile. Not only does it include 3 different socket sizes to accommodate standard lug nuts, plus an adapter to fit any other lug sizes, but it also doubles as both an L-shaped lug wrench and a cross wrench, allowing users to get better leverage and providing maximum efficiency. In relation to its sturdy locking mechanism, one customer mentioned that the bar is cleverly designed to hold the sliding crossbar in place. Number 5. EP Auto 14 inches Heavy-Duty Universal Lug Wrench. Chrome-plated tools tend to last longer as they don't end up rusty and corroded as other tools may. That is why the chrome plating on the EP Auto 4-way lug wrench makes the product a great buy. It is also made from steel construction, forged, and heat-treated, providing a good amount of strength and durability to deal with tight lug bolts. As one customer reported, "I could not budge these lugs with a 17mm socket wrench, and this lug wrench did the trick, easily." This tool allows for even more efficiency with its engraved SAE and metric socket sizes, allowing users to quickly find the right size socket for the job. At only 14 inches in size, this wrench is perfect for compact storage. As one customer mentioned, "This heavy chromed 4-way wrench fits in my trailer jockey box. It is small but heavy duty and will get the job done." Please like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the bell notification. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one, and we hope you like this video. If you want to know the product price, do check out the description box. Thanks for watching.